When you dig it on the map, Virgin. I spell backwards, really close enough to get Virgin. Gone backwards back, long time ago. They saw ghosts made of bone. Soon that ghost was home. When you dig it on the map, Virgin. I spell backwards, really close enough to get Virgin. Gone backwards, those losing their youth. They goofed, got the wrong view. First things reversed, last first you dig it.
Think of that and get a load of what I tell you what this place is. No one knows it, there's no traces of the kind of place it was before it got discovered by the kind of cat that knows the earth belongs to him. Back when the world was young, and he was a living God, and he walked this earthly sod. This facade that God would try until one day a stranger landed with a line of jive. Laid it on the nails till he had him thinking maybe that the reader should take five. And he quickly stole